With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's solve the question. The question says, a small object is placed at the center of the bottom of a cylindrical vessel of radius 3 and height 4 centimeter filled completely with water. So what is given to us? We are given a cylindrical vessel. So let's say that it is our cylindrical vessel. It is our bottom and object is placed here. It is our object. Let's call this position A. And the radius of this vessel is 3 centimeter and height of this vessel is 4 centimeter. And this vessel is completely filled with the water. Let's further read the question. Consider the ray leaving the vessel through a corner. Suppose that this ray and the ray along the axis of vessel are used to trace the image. So what is given to us that there are two rays. One ray leaving this object through the corner. So it will be the leaving ray, okay, and one ray is along the axis. It will be the axis of this cylindrical vessel, and these two rays are used to trace the image. So as this ray is leaving water and is going from water to air, so it will refract like this. So it will refract by an angle R, and this R angle is called refractive, and this angle is called small r, okay, and this will be the incident angle, okay. So if we extend this ray, so our image will be formed here. Let's call this position B. Our image will be formed here, okay. So let's further read the question. Find the apparent depth of the image and the ratio of real depth to apparent depth under the assumptions taken. Refractive index of water is 1.33. So refractive index of water is given to us, which is 1.33, and they asked us to find the depth of image. Image is formed here and our real object is here. So this will be the apparent depth and this 4 centimeter will be the real depth. So we need to find two things. First, we need to find the apparent depth. And second, we need to find the ratio of apparent depth to real image. So let's solve first part A. So we will solve part A. So this will be our angle R. So this will also be our angle R. So we can find out this. Let's suppose that this depth is X. So we can write down the relation as tan R is equal to 3 divided by X, because 3 is the radius and we are considering this triangle and we have written down tan R value, okay. And we know one relation, that sin I divided by sin R is equal to mu1 divided by mu2, where mu1 is the refractive index of air and mu2 is the refractive index of water. So we can use this equation. So we will write sin I divided by sin R is equal to 1 divided by 1.33. So we will further solve this and we will get sin R is equal to 1.33 into sin I. What is the value of sin I? We can find it using this triangle. So sin I will be, so this is our triangle, and this length is 4 centimeter, this length is 3 centimeter, this angle is I as shown in this figure. We can find sin I as 3 divided by 5. So we can again find tan R, tan. So we can put this value 3 by 5 in this equation and we can find sin R. Sin R will be equal to 1.33 into 3 divided by 5. So now we can find tan R value. So we can further write it down as 4 by 3. So sin R will become 4 divided by 3 into 3 divided by 5. 3 will cancel out, it will become 4 divided by 5. So we can write tan R as 4 divided by 3. So our tan R value is this 3 by x. So we can compare these two equations, equation number 1 and this equation number 2. After comparing equation number 1 and 2, we will get 4 by 3 is equal to 3 by x. So now we can find value of x, which is equal to 9 by 4 and it is equivalent to 2.25. So this will be our apparent depth. So part 1 A has been solved and we have got our final answer. So for part A, apparent depth x is equal to 2.25. So now let's solve part B. What is part B? In part B we need to find the ratio of real image to apparent depth. So we will write 4 divided by x. So this will be our ratio because 4 centimeter is the real depth and x is apparent depth. So we can put x value here, 4 divided by 2.25. So we will get our final answer, which is equal to 1.78. So this will be our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.